Imagine a world where a simple blood test can detect cancer before symptoms ever appear. That world is here, today, January 24, 2026. A single vial of blood can now be screened for over 50 types of cancer, thanks to a breakthrough called liquid biopsy. This isn't just a small step forward, it's a complete shift in how we fight cancer. For decades, we waited for cancer to show itself, often too late. Now we can search for cancer when it's just a whisper, long before it becomes dangerous. This technology could finally give us a fighting chance against cancers that have no effective screening, like pancreatic, ovarian, and stomach cancers. Early detection means finding disease when it's small, localized, and curable. It's not just about new tools, it's about empowering people with knowledge about their own health. As a doctor, I've seen the devastation of late diagnoses and the hope that innovation brings. Liquid biopsy is the result of decades of research and relentless determination. We're at the dawn of a new era, one where we can finally get ahead of cancer, and it all starts with a simple draw of blood. The implications are vast, and the hope is real. The future of cancer detection is now. How does this test work? It's surprisingly simple at its core. All cells, including cancer cells, release fragments of DNA into the bloodstream when they die. This cell-free DNA, or cfDNA, floats in our blood. If a tumor is present, it sheds its own unique DNA. Circulating tumor DNA, or ctDNA. The challenge: ctDNA is rare, hidden among a sea of normal DNA. Enter next-generation sequencing, machines that scan millions of DNA fragments in a blood sample. Advanced algorithms and AI search for cancer-specific mutations or methylation patterns, chemical tags altered in cancer cells. By analyzing these patterns, the test can detect cancer and often predict where it started in the body. Each tissue has a unique genetic zip code in its DNA. By matching these, doctors can pinpoint where to look next with imaging scans. This technology turns a simple blood draw into a powerful early warning system. It's a revolution in how we find cancer. The science is complex, but the result is clear: earlier, smarter detection. The most important factor in surviving cancer is how early it's found. Early-stage cancers, stage 1 or 2, are often curable, sometimes with surgery alone. But when cancer is found late, after it's spread, survival rates drop dramatically. Today, half of all cancers are diagnosed after they've already spread. That's not a failure of people, it's a failure of our tools. We only have effective screening for a few cancers, most have none. These silent killers account for over 70% of cancer deaths. A multi-cancer early detection test could change that. Imagine screening for pancreatic, ovarian, and liver cancers with one blood test. Early detection transforms death sentences into treatable conditions. Liquid biopsy is our most powerful new weapon in this fight. One name stands out in this new era: Galleri. Developed by GRAIL, Galleri screens for over 50 cancers from a single blood draw. It's not a diagnostic tool, but a screening test, especially for those at higher risk. Galleri analyzes methylation patterns on cell-free DNA, detecting cancer signals and predicting their origin. Its algorithms are trained on massive datasets, making it both sensitive and specific. The test's journey from lab to clinic involved some of the largest studies in genomics. Galleri is now available by prescription in the US, a major milestone. Its arrival is sparking crucial conversations about the future of cancer screening. The era of multi-cancer early detection has officially begun. Galleri is leading the way. The NHS in England is running the world's largest Galleri trial. 140,000 volunteers, ages 50 to 77, with no cancer symptoms. Half get the Galleri test now, half are the control group. The goal: see if Galleri can shift more diagnoses to early treatable stages. Results from this trial could change national screening guidelines and save thousands of lives. The NHS's centralized system makes this study uniquely powerful. The trial will reveal how the test performs in a real-world, diverse population. It's not just about technology, it's about a new public health strategy. The world is watching England for answers. This could redefine cancer screening for everyone. Galleri isn't alone. Other innovators are racing to transform cancer detection. Guardant Health's Guardant 360 test analyzes ctDNA in patients with advanced cancer, guiding personalized treatment. Now Guardant is moving into early detection, using its expertise in ctDNA. Foundation Medicine's Foundation One Liquid CDx also profiles tumor DNA to guide therapy, especially when tissue biopsies aren't possible. Both companies are now developing early detection tools, bringing their genomic expertise to the challenge. This competition drives better tests, lower costs, and more clinical evidence. Each company brings unique technology and data, pushing the field forward. The result: rapid progress and new hope for millions. The future of cancer screening is being built by many hands. Together, they're changing the landscape of oncology. With any new test, we must be realistic about limitations. Sensitivity is the ability to find cancer when it's there. Specificity is avoiding false alarms. False positives can cause anxiety and lead to unnecessary, sometimes invasive, follow-up tests. Current multi-cancer tests have high specificity, over 99%, but even a tiny error rate means thousands of false alarms in large populations. Sensitivity is higher for advanced cancers, but lower for early-stage disease, the very cases we most want to catch. Some early cancers will be missed, and a negative result isn't a guarantee. These are not permanent flaws. Technology is improving rapidly. Scientists are refining sequencing and algorithms, combining multiple signals for better accuracy. Today's tests are far better than 5 years ago, and the next generation will be better still. Progress is fast, but perfection takes time. Understanding these limits is key to using the tests wisely. The future is bright, but we must proceed with care. Cancer claims 10 million lives each year, most due to late diagnosis. In many countries, advanced screening is out of reach. Liquid biopsy could change that. A simple blood test, easily scaled, could bring early detection to places lacking expensive equipment. Blood samples can be drawn locally and analyzed centrally, democratizing access. This technology could save families from tragedy and nations from economic loss. Costs are falling fast, making widespread screening more feasible. The return on investment in lives and healthcare savings is enormous. The challenge is real, but the opportunity is greater. We stand on the edge of a global shift in cancer mortality. Early detection, everywhere, is within reach. After all this, the question becomes personal. If your doctor offered you a blood test that could screen for 50 cancers, would you take it? It could find a silent cancer early, possibly saving your life. But it's not perfect. There's a small chance of a false positive or a missed cancer. The decision is deeply personal, weighing hope against uncertainty. It's a conversation to have with a trusted doctor. More of us will face this choice as these tests become common. For me, as a doctor and a parent, the answer is yes. The potential outweighs the risks. But your answer is your own. The fact that we can even ask this question shows how far we've come. The era of reactive medicine is ending. A new era of proactive, personalized health is beginning. And it all starts with a choice.